Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to share with you a productivity hack to help you list more items more quickly from your drafts in bulk. All right, so a basic explanation of what we're doing here today. We're going into my drafts on my eBay account, and we're going to list everything in bulk so that we don't have to go item by item to click list. Let me give you 15 seconds of background here. I buy things, clean them, photograph them. I send my photographs to a guy who lists them for me. He lists them as drafts so that I can go in, lay eyes on them, and do final approval. And then from there, I list them. He has basic parameters from which I've given him to list those drafts. And so we're going to go into the drafts today and list everything in bulk. So let's jump into my computer and I'll show you. All right, here we are on my eBay account. I'm going to go over here to my drafts. And when we pull this up, we have 7 items here. So I saved these 7. Most people go in through their mobile and they list one at a time from the drafts. Here on desktop, you can actually select all, resume drafts. It will open all of these right here. And I know that like these Converse Chuck Taylors are not going to be, they're not going to sell for $39. Generally, I sell them for $29 plus shipping. And so I'm going to go through and select all of the Converse. And then I'm going to edit the price. My buy now price, I'm going to change it to $29. So this is going to change all of them simultaneously. There we go. These Skechers, I could probably change those to $29 as well. I could have done that separately. You can click on the price and adjust that if you need to. The Tom's Casual Suede leather wedge shoes, I'm going to actually leave those at $39. I don't think they'll sell at that, but we'll start there and see if we get any offers. These British Knight Rocos, those are actually... We can open up this side panel here where we can see the listing. Those British Knights shoes are actually vintage. So I'm going to put that in the title. I'm actually just going to put VTG. And then because they're pink and white, I actually want to sell those as a women's size. They're a youth 6.5, but we're going to put them as women's 8. So let's just add that up here. And then in the description, I'm just going to scroll down here real quick. And then within my description, I'm going to say, we'll change this to women's size 8. And then I always make this disclaimer. If I'm adjusting the size from a youth size to women's, I have this shortcut where I just type in YTH, so youth, W, and then spacebar and it updates. So labeled as youth 6.5, but fits women's size 8. So as they go through the description, they'll see that. And then we want to make sure that it's actually in the category is women's athletic shoes. So I'm going to save this. Now these British Knights shoes are going anywhere from like $79 to $99. I'm going to close that side panel, and then really quickly, I'm just going to go into the price. I'm going to put mine at $69. All right, the Nike Huarache toddler shoes, I feel like they're not going to sell for $39. I feel like $24 would be the appropriate price for those. I've sold them in the past, and they sell right around $24 to like $29. Everything looks good here. Now what I do is I select all of these, and there's certain things I want to ensure that are taking place within the listings. And so I always do promoted listings. I'm going to promote my listings to the suggested ad rate. This will just go through, instead of me having to go piece by piece and click suggested ad rate. Some of them might be 5.7%, some might be 2.3%. This is just going to go through and find the suggested ad rate and just put all of them to that. So we're doing a bunch of stuff very quickly. My shipping policy, we want to make sure that the payment policy is immediate. My shipping, I'm going to do my $10.10 shipping, and then my return policy is 30 days. Money back, buyer pays shipping. So we're updating that. And just like that, I do believe we're set to go here. Yeah, we should be good. Actually, one thing we're going to change real quick, and this is for my cross-listing side. My dimensions, I always ship out in a package that is 14 by 7 by 5. And then my weight, I change. That's the shoebox size, the USPS shoebox size. And then my weight, I just put it at a default of 3 pounds because whenever I cross-list to Mercari through the Vendu cross-listing platform, it will select the 3-pound package, which is $12 shipping through Mercari USPS. And with all that being said and done, we click submit, and confirm that, and it lists everything all at once. So I don't have to physically go through and like individually set everything. All 7 of these were successfully promoted and listed. And just like that, we're done with drafts. So if you have someone that does your drafts, or if you do your drafts in bulk, let's say Sunday night, you have all your pictures and you create all of your drafts throughout the week. Remember, consistency is key. We don't want to go and list 39 items on Monday and then nothing for the rest of the week. It's better if you list 5 items per day throughout the entire week, because it shows consistency to the eBay algorithm, and that definitely works in your favor. So by doing this, you can just jump on in the morning, everything's set. If you create your own drafts and you build each listing exactly like you want it, then you're ahead of the curve, because you could just go in, select your 5 listings that you want to list that day and click list, and then you're done. It's completely finished, and you don't have to like physically go through each one and wait for it to load and click list and all of that stuff. So hope that was helpful. Hope you got some value from this. I hope it streamlines your process. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.